Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Canopy, the film streaming service free to use for Burbank Library card holders. There are a wide variety of classic and contemporary films, as well as documentaries and the Great Courses film series. It all starts on our website, burbanklibrary.org. Once here, hover over the word eLibrary and select Canopy from the drop-down menu. You may also click or tap on eLibrary and select Canopy from the options on the page. Read the instructions on our Canopy webpage. When you are ready to continue, click or tap the blue Canopy in the first paragraph, or select Start Streaming Thousands of Movies with your library card and PIN. We are now on the Canopy login screen. If you have already made an account, click on the Login button on the top right to start viewing. If you have not made an account, click on Add a library card. Making your account is free and easy. Put your Burbank library card in the top box. Type your library card PIN number in the bottom box. Continue entering your information until your account is made. You can now start viewing films on Canopy. You can choose to watch the films from the curated lists, or you can search for a film by title or actor in the search box above. Click the play button to start watching the movie. Playing the movie will use up 1 of your play credits. Users are given 10 play credits per month, and each movie you watch uses 1 credit. Your credits will reset to 10 the following month. Credits do not roll over. From the moment you press play, you will have 3 days to watch the movie without using another credit. You can replay the movie as often as you'd like within those 3 days. For our younger audiences, we have Canopy Kids. Canopy Kids has a large selection of movies and TV shows for kids, including PBS shows. Canopy Kids also has curated lists of films to choose from. You may also search by key terms in the top search box. Movies and shows on Canopy Kids do not require a play credit to view. You can watch all the quality kids programming you'd like every month. To exit, select Exit Canopy Kids on the top right. You can save movies you want to watch onto your film's watch list. Just find the movie you want to save. Hover over the movie icon and press My List. You can also search for a film and save it to your list. On this page, select My List below the title. When you are ready to view your saved videos, hover over your name on the top right and select My Watch List from the drop-down menu. Find the saved film you want to watch and click Watch Now. You can also download the Canopy app for your smart device. Just search Canopy in your App Store, then press Install. It's free to download. Canopy is available for Android, iOS, Roku, and Amazon's Fire tablet. Be sure to select the Canopy app, made by Canopy Inc. This concludes your basic introduction to the Canopy streaming service. There are many other features available to Canopy users. Explore Canopy and see what you can find. If you have any questions about this service, please call or email your local Burbank Public Library and a librarian will be happy to assist you.